Windows is quietly saving what you copy. That is a privacy risk. Let me show you how to turn off clipboard spying on Windows 10 and 11. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to disable the clipboard tracking, I'm first going to explain to you what a clipboard is, okay, and the reason why you should disable the clipboard tracking, okay. So let me bring my whiteboard. So what is clipboard? So clipboard is a temporary storage area in your computer memory, the RAM, okay, that holds data like text, images, or files you've copied or cut, okay, allowing you to paste them elsewhere, often across different applications, making it easy to move or duplicate information quickly without saving it to a file. Okay, so when you do Ctrl+C to copy or Ctrl+X to cut, it's saved to the clipboard. Okay, that gives you the opportunity to save or to paste it at the location you want. Okay, so that is the clipboard. Okay, so why you should disable clipboard tracking? 1, it prevents sensitive data leaks. 2, it stops password copying from being stored. 3, it reduces forensic and malware exposure. And 4, it improves privacy on shared PCs. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through 2 approaches in disabling the clipboard tracking. Okay, 1, I'm going to take you through the system approach, and then 2, the registry approach. So for the system approach, let me minimize my whiteboard. We are going to click on the start, and then we click on settings. So at the settings, we are going to click on system. So at the system, we are going to scroll down, okay, and then we click on clipboard. So here you see clipboard history. Okay, save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history and paste it from it, as I explained to you earlier. Okay, so you are going to turn this off. So immediately you see it has turned off the history across devices. Okay, and if you have the cleared active, you have to clear the history as well. Okay, so pin items won't be removed on this device, so you have to clear them. So clear clipboard data. Okay, so now this is how to do it by using the settings approach. Okay, so now I'm going to take you to the registry approach. So to do that, let me close the settings. I'm going to click on the search, then I'll type registry. Okay, so now we are going to run the registry with administrator's privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator, then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So at the registry, we are going to expand HKey local machine. Okay, and then we expand software. So at the software, we are going to expand policies. So I'll scroll down, and then I'll expand policies. So at the policies, I'm going to expand Microsoft. So at the Microsoft, I'm going to click on Windows and expand Windows. Okay, so at the Windows, I'm going to scroll down, and then we click on system. So at the system, we are going to create a D word. Okay, so to do that, at the right pane of the registry of the system, we are going to right click, and then we go to new, and then D word 32-bit. So we are going to name our D word allow clipboard history. Okay, and then we leave the value at 0. Okay, so if I double click on it, we have to leave the value at 0. Okay, meaning we've allowed the clipboard history. Okay, we are disabling the clipboard entirely. Then you click on OK. Okay, so now we are going to disable the clipboard cloud sync. Okay, in the cloud. So to do that as well, we are going to right click on an empty space, and then we go to new, and then we click on D word 32-bit, and then we change the value to allow cross device. Okay, clipboard. Okay, so now we are disabling the clipboard across the cloud. Okay, so we are disabling the clipboard tracking across the cloud. So that one, we leave the value or the value data at 0. Okay, so when you are done, you have to do a restart of the system for the changes to take effect. Okay, so this is how to disable the clipboard tracking across the cloud and then on your system. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.